Let's do this thing! You sure you want to challenge me, Rentaro Kiyama, to a battle? You've got guts. That bay of yours, I'll crush you to a pulp. Get ready for a battle you'll remember.
Hey, in the blue corner, no surprise seeing him at the end. It's the Legend of Legends, Voltoid! In the red corner, emerging from Phantom's Gate, it's the Dark Chris, battled